In this video, I will show you how to generate an API key in Mailercloud. But first, let's understand what an API key is and how it's useful in Mailercloud. An API key in Mailercloud is a unique identifier used to authenticate and integrate your Mailercloud account with other applications and services. It allows you to automate tasks, manage contacts, send campaigns, and access Mailercloud features programmatically, making your email marketing more efficient and effective. Now, let's get started. First, log in to your Mailercloud account. Once you're logged in, click on your name in the bottom left corner of the sidebar and select Accounts. In the Accounts section, find the Integrations section, then click on the API Keys tab. To generate a new API key, click on the Create API Key button. A pop-up will appear. Enter an appropriate name for the API key and click the Generate Key button. The newly generated API key will now be displayed in the list of API keys. You can copy the API key by clicking on the copy icon next to the API key. You can use this API key to integrate with your desired services. Additionally, you can edit or delete the API keys at any time. And that's it. You've successfully generated an API key in Mailercloud. Remember to follow the best practices to keep your API keys secure. Thank you for watching and happy integrating.